Hello everybody, this is Mike with Clock Family Adventures. Today's video is on Galaxy's Edge at Hollywood Studios, Walt Disney World, Florida. Galaxy's Edge is a Star Wars themed land with various rides, shops, and restaurants. It even has a cantina like on the films. We will be showing you some of the rides from our point of view, some of the shops, our reservation at the cantina, as well as some of the drinks. As you will see, the land is very well themed and also has different games you can play with a magic band. And as I said earlier, the cantina requires a reservation, so make sure you get that in first thing in the morning so that you definitely get into the cantina before the day's over. And you can do that right on the app, or one of the workers right outside the cantina can help you out. The first ride we're going to go over today is the Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. This ride seats 6 people per cabin, and each person has their own job to do, where they either push a button or flick a switch, and you'll see.
Flight engineer, repair desk. Hit your flashing buttons. Only one engineer. Well, I'll do it again to help out. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up, and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
I have a full video of the ride on the channel. Throughout the land, there are several different characters walking around, greeting people from the Star Wars universe. The next ride we're going to go over is Rise of the Resistance. This ride is unlike anything else. It has several different segments, which I featured a few on here, but I do have a video of the whole thing on my channel. And as you can see, while you're waiting in line, there are several different props and stuff like they use from the movies.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the calls.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on deck 3 for Picard.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Picard.
We got company! First order TIE fighters! Reroute! Reroute! You're 2 blue for Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make us a fair fight! Don't worry, I'm coming back for you! Stay strong!
Why will we give these minutes?
Because you're detaining us.
Correct.
So food, bread,
No.
water.
That'll be a finance. That will.
Uncle?
Blue and red, head inside. Blue and red. Over here. Turn around again. Over here. Sit there now. Like I said, when I say turn around. Silver, head inside. Hup. 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 I can tell why you're together. Go. Hup.
A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized! Wait! Those are the prisoners! We have a breach in section Lot 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these 2 droids anyway?
Scene 11D. If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pods just blew us! Wait, why are you going up? I'm shut down!
bad. Up is real bad.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
You guys really like cutting it close, don't you? Okay, you're clear.
During the segment when you get captured, you can interact with the people. They get rude with you and mess with you a lot, so it's pretty fun. At night, this is a very cool area all lit up. Very good picture-taking opportunities. If you're enjoying the video, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Please give it a like. Thanks. Our next stop is going to be Olga's Cantina. Like I said, just make sure you get a reservation at the beginning of the day and just meet up here at your time and they'll send you in.
Let's go party.
We travelers, great son. Welcome.
Thank you.
Here's the menu with all the prices. Hopefully you can see it, or at least pause it. And here's a QR code you might be able to scan as well. And these are the coasters they gave us. Our bartender's name was Jason. He was very friendly and helpful.
This is your captain. I mean DJ. I'm here at the carpet, broadcasting live from Olga's Cantina to the streets of Blackspire Outpost. We're opening up the request line, so contact us on frequency 10778 and tell us what you'd like to hear. This next song is more wanted than my boss on Gogara. And I'm saying something considering she's wanted in 8 systems and unwanted in 6. Here we go!
This is the drink we got. This is called Carbon Freeze. It's Powerade, lemon lime, wild strawberry, blueberry with these green apple popping pearls in it, which was $7.50. And then this one here is the one my mother-in-law got, which is called Hyperdrive. They were both good, and here's some stuff from people down the bar from us. And if you have a big party, they have these tables here, but they won't let you get a booth unless you can fill it. They're very strict on the amount of people they put in here. They fill it as much as they can. Overall, it was a pretty cool experience, so I recommend it. Now we left there and we went around to a couple of different shops. This one here, it sells the lightsabers, but it was so packed I couldn't get up to the counter to take a look at the lightsabers. And then this one here is the Droid Depot, where my brother-in-law and my daughter build a droid. So to build a droid, you have to do a reservation for that as well. The price is $119.99. And then there's several different add-ons that you can do, different cards and voices and stuff for your droid, and bags and stuff like that. Now they also have a build a lightsaber, and you have to do a reservation, and that is $249.99. Way expensive. I hope it's worth it, but I'll probably never be able to do that one. As you can see for the droids, you have a conveyor belt. You just stand there and you just pick one part of each and put it in a basket, and you take it over to the table and you assemble it, and they have people there to help you. Now my daughter didn't do her own. She helped her uncle build his. And as you're here, you'll see several people all dressed up in the different costumes and interacting with everybody. Throughout the day, Kylo Ren and the stormtroopers will walk around this area and they'll mess with the different guests you'll see in these videos here.
Stop. Just a moment. Who's in charge here? Affirmative. You recognize your authority. Good work. Have you pledged your support to the First Order? Stop. Just a moment, young traveler. Have you come to Batuu looking for adventure or looking for trouble? You might be trouble, so let's stick with adventure. You enjoy your day now. A resistance spy is operating in this outpost. Anyone in this group we should talk to? Why are you so nervous? Because you're a resistance spy? Aren't you? I wouldn't get my hopes up for a promotion. We're watching you. Anyone in this group we should talk to? Nervous, are we? Maybe we ought to arrest you. What do you say? We'll let you move on. You've got an awkward conversation to get to. Good luck. I need it. Interesting. If the resistance is here, we will destroy them. This place will destroy.
Here's a few things from the Star Tours ride. This is not in Galaxy's Edge, it's just on the outside. Thanks for watching.
How do I find a gun? It's getting rather annoying. No, not just Jar Jar. All